Introducing ASmInfer. Yeah, it really is that small. Perfect. Now, clearly, the agent knows how to do stuff and do work. And I did this all myself in Windows assembly language, 64-bit with 32-bit calls as needed. Everything works. Everything is agentic. Everything works locally. Yes, it is possible to get an agent working locally with no calls over the network to a provider using a token that you have to pay money for. You just have to be a good enough developer to set it up.